let's make breakfast muffins with sausage and cheese. Woo! I think they're gonna be a hit. The cheese just popped through and they smell really, really good. You know, I like that saying, I'm not hungry, I'll just pick. That's me. You know, my dad used to say, Annie, your eyes are bigger than your stomach. I sneak things my mother didn't know, apple and raisins or something like that. I buy organic whenever I can. So I got the eggs, sausage. Now these are already cooked sausage, breakfast sausage. 2 eggs here. That's gonna be great in the muffins. This tray keeps moving on me. Where are you going? And I'm gonna continue to do this. So bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi, and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Annie's Kitchen. Today, I'm making something on it that I've never made before, and I think they're gonna be a hit with my family, and you can meal prep them because I kind of love them. You know, I like that saying, I'm not hungry, I'll just pick. That's me. You know, my dad used to say, Annie, your eyes are bigger than your stomach. But I've been picking, I would pick all day long. You know, I'd eat an apple and raisins or something like that, that by the time I got to dinner, I was full. Or I'd sneak things my mother didn't know, you know, what I could find in the fridge. But before I tell you what you need, grab a cup of coffee. This goes very good with what I'm going to be making. Oh, yeah. Oh. What you're going to need are eggs. Now, I buy organic whenever I can. So I got the eggs, milk, flour, cane sugar, baking powder. Now, I told you what I do with baking powder the first time I made muffins for my son-in-law, because I make the best muffins. I was talking to my daughter, and you shouldn't talk when you bake because you forget. And I said, did I get baking powder? She said, I don't think so. Well, they were the most beautiful muffins, but tasteful. Yuck. And my son-in-law had 2 of them. They did look beautiful. We're going to put cheese in these muffins. Chopped cheese and sausage. Now, these are already cooked sausage, breakfast sausage, but I'm going to heat them up. Maple syrup, cane sugar, milk, canola oil. These are the things that are going to go into my delicious breakfast budget muffins that you can meal prep too, which I really, really like. I like that, you know, you can freeze them and say, you know, I don't know what I feel like this morning. I think I'll have some muffins, but you can have them in the afternoon. So come on into my kitchen and let's make breakfast muffins with sausage and cheese. Woo! That you're going to love. Guarantee it. Now we have 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/3 cup of sugar. First thing we're going to do is to heat up our breakfast sausage that I'm going to put in the toaster oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll come back when it's golden brown. They're already cooked, but I want to heat them up. Now we're going to do our wet ingredients. We have 2 eggs here. That's going to be great in the muffins. You get your eggs, besides your sausage, 1/3 cup of canola oil, 1.5 cups of milk, and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. We're going to mix that and set that aside. Then we're going to do our other ingredients. Now we're going to mix everything together. You want to mix this first because it has the baking powder in there. This tray keeps moving on me. Where are you going? Now you want to add your wet ingredients to this. Just going to add the whole thing. And we're going to blend that in. And come back and add our sausage and our cheese. You want to keep blending that till it's smooth. Yep. It's just what we're going to do. my batter is ready and it looks absolutely beautiful. It's nice and smooth, and we're gonna crush up these sausages. And we crushed up the cheese, and then we're gonna add our sausage and cheese to this batter. Probably I'm gonna put them in the pan first and then add that. And maybe sample everything. Now I'm gonna start filling the pan. I put a little bit of canola oil in the pan, and I'm gonna be cooking this for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm gonna continue to do this. And then I'm going to add my cheese in there. Yes, you have to use your hands. You really do. So you just want to tuck that cheese in. And then we're going to tuck the breakfast sausage in. I made it very small, the breakfast sausage. Because you want it to, you want this to, rise. So we're going to continue to add the cheese. And the sausage. And you just put that in. You want it to rise, so you don't want too much. This is my experiment, so let's see how I do. And then the sausage, we'll set that aside and put some sausage in. And I cooked the sausage for about a little less, about 10 minutes on 350. Because you don't want the sausage, the outside, to be hard. You wanted it soft. And if this left over, you can have it another time. So we're going to continue to do that, and we're going to put that right in there like that. And I've been sampling cheese and sausage. I've had a good time. Just put that right in there. You got to think about it rising too, so you don't want too much, but just enough, I think. Now, I used maybe half of that, and I think I have enough sausage in there. I really don't want to overpack it because I do want it to cook, however. So we're going to preheat the oven at 350 on bake, and we'll come back when they are done. And this is how much I have left, quite a bit, which I can have with eggs, which I'm going to enjoy. They are done, and they look absolutely beautiful. I had them in for 20 minutes, and they look just amazing. Don't they look amazing? They certainly do. So we're going to give it a try. Wow, these are better than what I hoped for. That's for sure. You can see the sausage in there. They turned out beautiful, and then the cheese just popped through, and they smell really, really good. So we're going to let them cool, and we're going to try them. So I hope you made yours and you can try them with me. You can see the sausage right through here. It looks beautiful. And the cheese, look at this one, that you can see the cheese in there. It looks amazing. And the sausage, and it smells really good. This experiment really turned out excellent. And I'm so excited to try them. So come on in. This is so beautiful. It really is. I'm just so excited. And I love the way the cheese and the sausage go right through there. So come on into my kitchen and let's take a taste. So, did you make your breakfast, Annie's breakfast sausage cheddar cheese muffins? I used a 1/3 cup of this organic sharp cheddar cheese. And really makes it pop. And the smell, the cheddar cheese, like cooked with the sausage, oh, it just looks amazing. I haven't tasted it yet. I've sampled a lot of the cheese, a lot of the sausage, and I still have some left over. So tonight, I think I'm going to fry some eggs up with some arugula and the rest of the sausage and cheese. What do you say? I think that's good. So should we take a taste? Did you make yours? I hope so. I mean, it's Annie's healthy muffin, I call it. It really is healthy because the sausage has no nitrates. The cheese is organic and delicious. And it has low-fat milk. I use low-fat milk in there. You could use skim milk if you want. That's not a problem. Or even almond milk. But that's what I used in there. I don't think I told you. So let's take a taste. It looks beautiful. Smells, it smells like a bakery. It smells delicious. Better than a bakery, I think. Maple syrup. Wow, eggs. It has eggs in there. It is delicious. Believe me. Look at this. The sausage running through it. You can't get a better muffin, really. So, but you know what goes good with that muffin? Coffee, of course. So I gotta have my coffee with this. Oh, that's good. So, like this video, subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate it a lot. And I love your comments. People say, Annie, keep going. You're doing great. Thank you. That's really, really nice of you to say. You know, comments, good or bad, are great because it helps me grow as a person and also a cook. So come again. I'll be cooking up a storm. I love to cook. I love fashion. I'm a fitness instructor. I love crafts. You seen my crafts. I love making crafts. So enjoy your day. Thanks for stopping in Annie's Angle. Have a real nice day and make yours. And let me know how it is. I really would like that. So bye-bye for now.